Morning. It's... where are we? Irwin. Right, we're about to leave Irwin. Important moment because the boots have finally disintegrated into nothingness. Big holes. 4 weeks has been just too much for these bad boys. I'm going to miss them. Lots of good memories with them, but see you later. So we're leaving Irwin. Not the most exciting of towns. I am now armed with some new trainers, which are also falling apart. I'm just hoping they survive until Miami. Got maybe about a week and a half or just under 2 weeks left, but it's 50-50. I really don't want to buy a new pair of shoes to take back with me. What we're going to do is spend a whole day driving in like a big circle, semicircle around Asheville, because the mountains basically surround Asheville. It's just in a little flat plain in the middle of the mountains is Asheville. Dark clouds, but the sun's starting to break through now, so we were a little bit worried this morning. It was all overcast. You know, this trip we've been incredibly lucky for weather. I've had to wear waterproofs 2 times. We only had the really bad downpour, which was at the very end of the stint from El Paso to Austin. So fingers crossed we can finish this last day in the Smoky Mountains without a drop of rain. Great biking, but I'm really hoping that the sun comes out soon. We're getting higher up in the hills. Yeah, it's starting to get cold. I don't want to be the one to say, guys, pull over, should we put a jackets on? I'm gonna man up and wait until gas cracks, hopefully. Just tried to Gaz on the intercom, and I just said to him, just slightly, because we're getting quite high up in the mountains now, you know, maybe have a look for a viewpoint, we can get a snap, get a picture. And then he mentioned, yeah, and it might be a good idea, he wants to stop off to put his jacket on because he's getting cold. Winning. Gaz is the one who officially cracked first. Let's get a video, you putting your jacket on, Gaz. Yeah.
I'm stuck on you. Been waiting in this night. Should get that call. Hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too. I'm stuck on you. Been waiting in this night. Should get that call. Hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too. I'm stuck on you.
There we go, lunch, Southern Ridge Cafe.
No.
A nice little bit of lunch, a little wrap, and a bit of coffee to wake me up. I'm definitely ready for some twisty roads now. Yeah, we're gonna head back into the mountains now, and we're actually heading south down to a place called Little Switzerland. So we're now in Little Switzerland, and look at these roads, these are perfect. I mean, seriously, there can't be too many places around with roads like this without any other traffic. We are so high up in the hills right now, and every now and then we get a break in the trees here on the left hand side, and you're greeted with one of the most spectacular views of the the mountains we've had so far.
On you. I wanna do everything on you. I'm stuck on you. I'm stuck on you.
Right, well, we've entered a different trail now. So this is the Blue Ridge Parkway. So this one goes back into the Blue Ridge Mountains. Fingers crossed it lives up to every other single trail we've done so far, because they've all been epic and great fun. Yeah, that's pretty epic. Wow. You want to talk about some amazing drives? Too many epic views. Can't keep stopping, I've lost gas. Right, this looks like our last little adventure for today. Well, on the mountain roads at least. We've seen the highest peak around, and it's called Mount Mitchell. Mount Mitchell, definitely worth a visit. Yeah, beautiful view at the top, and we are going to head down this twisty road all the way into Asheville. Weaving our way down into Asheville now. We're coming down out of the mountains. Epic. I think I've used epic about 100,000 times, but yeah, our first glimpse of Asheville. The bow catcher. There we go. Home. Oh, right opposite of Taco Bell. Oh, this is the best location ever. Not only was it Taco Bell, but we got a Subway, a Burger King, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Japanese steakhouse, Chinese restaurant.
Great place. Huge selection of drinks.
Ooh. That was a nice bar. But we're walking down to get some food. It's going to be about half an hour walk, but yeah, hopefully we'll find a bar in between. We want to experience a little bit of the Asheville micro brewery scene. Cheers.
Charles.
In the tap room. Another good bar. And first impressions of Asheville. Really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like a nice spot.
Cannot wait for food. Luetta's barbecue. Just two.
We have a squash casserole, we have tomato cucumber salad, and garlic green beans with bacon.
The beef brisket. And we'll also get the turkey breast.
And the turkey plate. And they both come with two sides.
Yeah, mac and cheese. The collard greens.
And on the brisket, would you like it sliced with the sauce on the side? Chopped with the sauce on it.
Smoked turkey, a hush pippi, whatever that is, fries, that's the slaw, collard greens, mac and cheese, and then we got the brisket and more hush pippies, and then we got lots of different barbecue deliciousness. No, that's not the turkey. It's tender. It's juicy, but flavour-wise, it's missing the X factor. Let's pick it in some spicy mustard. And there's some sauce. What about a brisket? We got some, lots of it. Beef brisket. I'd say brisket's the most tasty thing so far. They're finding the turkey versus brisket.
Brisket wins every time. Brisket's on flavour. Good meat.
What do you rate this place compared to the other barbecues we've had? Try a little bit of mac and cheese. Very rich. Yeah, a bit bland. The four. Got a lot of the slaw I've had. I'm not a big fan of slaw. That's one of my favourite.
Really?
Yeah. Very vinegary taste to it.
Yeah, it's not mayonnaise slaw.
Yeah, so it's not mayonnaise, it's vinegar slaw. And I love vinegar. What is a hush puppy? It's very nondescript. It's shredded chicken, is it? Here's fried dough. This is a really strange thing. Let's try the last, the collard greens. Not amazing. Well, we're finished. A little disappointing, to be honest with you. It's not exactly what we hoped for, but it's good. As in, together. We don't know what we're doing. Good if you're in the area, but if you've been to other places which are really good. Well, after average barbecue, I've got to say, we are barbecue snobs at this point. Our hotel serves craft beer, but we can get takeaway at reception. So we got a nightcap now. We're gonna decide what we're doing tomorrow. 8:30. Let's not say 8:30. It's been a long day biking. So yeah, I think it's going to be our craft beer. Plan out tomorrow. Sit on the balcony for a bit and get a game plan. Cheers. And then, yeah, let's get the rest of the trip sorted. Good night.